Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a new video on Frandia Reactions channel. Today we are reacting to two catches from two different matches. Well, actually one is from the men's T20 World Cup, which India won recently, and then the other is from a random series which Indian women played against England, I believe. So the catch we are talking about for the men's game is taken by Suryakumar Yadav. You can almost argue that this catch won the World Cup for India. You know about India winning the World Cup.
Yeah, of course.
But the other one didn't win so much. But this catch kind of started, like, made people to talk about the other catch. So what we are going to do today in this video, I'll show you both of the catches, and you will rate which one is better.
Okay, let's check.
Let's do that. I mean, you have already seen this catch because we checked out.
Yeah, but I don't remember exactly, so
let's do it. The World Cup, so this is from the men's game, and I'll show you now the women's catch.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
I mean, this was spectacular.
Oh my.
And getting the timing just right.
This one is crazy.
So yeah, the first catch you saw, it made people, all the experts, like the fans, everyone talk about this particular catch.
It does look really similar.
So as I mentioned at the beginning, so this was just a random like series. I think in football they call them like friendlies. So it not exactly like, we don't call them friendlies, we call them like series in cricket. So it's Indian women playing against England women.
It's like a friendly match kind
in
of
UK, I believe. Yeah.
Okay.
Which one did you like?
Yeah, this one.
Oh,
this one is more impressive. The other one was more smooth.
Yeah.
But it looked more like less risky. This one looked so much more risky. Like she's literally flying on it at the end. Like this one looks more impressive, I feel. Yeah,
but the other catch from the T20 World Cup is obviously more significant because, as I mentioned, it arguably won the World Cup for us.
More pressure, that's for sure.
Yeah, the pressure was there, and also what the catch did for Indian cricket, right? Won the World Cup. But this one, maybe, I don't know if they even won the series, to be honest. But
still, this one.
I don't want to take anything away from Harleen Deol, who did a fantastic job, and she's setting bar for women cricket here, for sure.
This one was really impressive.
Right? Yeah. At least for Indian women, I think she's setting a massive bar for all the young, upcoming Indian women cricket players to surpass.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen a better catch, at least by an Indian cricket, like a women cricketer, than this one. This has to be like the best catch. I mean, I don't follow women's cricket as much as I do men's cricket, but this has to be like one of the best catches.
It is quite impressive.
Yeah.
Looks a bit sportive.
So yeah, so you read this to be better than the other one.
Yeah, this one was more impressive to me.
Yeah. So there you have it, guys. It's
which one did you feel was more impressive?
Yeah.
Do you agree with my opinion?
So what it would be good if you can, like, obviously I have a feeling that many of the people will say the other catch is better because it won the World Cup, but maybe also comment thinking that the other catch was also from a random series. So then maybe you can, you will have less bias to compare them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. We will be waiting for your comments and we will reply to them as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.